Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back at the Dollar Tree, and the first thing I'm seeing is the gorgeous blue dishes, which I know we seen last week. But one thing that definitely caught my eye are these charger plates. Look at these. I thought they were galvanized, but it definitely has that texture and look. These are gorgeous. Like, these are really nice. Look at that. Wow. That is so nice. I wish to come out with more like this before with other colors, but even now, I hope that that's a sign that there's going to be more to come. So exciting. So anyway, if you are new, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. So let's officially kick off today's walkthrough. All right, so let's go to the makeup section. I am looking for Ioni lashes. A lot of people have been asking me to show the makeup section also, so I figured I'd do two things, which is look at the makeup section and look for Ioni lashes from my friend who has been, I got them hooked on the stuff. So I'm not seeing anything new. Oh wait, never mind. Look, they have the hydrating chapstick. This is the natural age define, and this is the moisture tint. Oh, these are new, at least new to me. I know that maybe some people may have already seen them. And look, these are cool little silicone rings. It says every ring. And they also do have men's, which is nice. Like, hey, finally men, we get something. And let's see, they have tons of little cute makeup bags. It's a melon, mama. Okay, let's see. Okay, so they're just like regular ones. And then they also do have the Kylie and Kendall ones, which I know we have seen previously. But yeah, these are exciting little finds. I'm gonna grab these two just to test them out for myself. And let's take a closer look at these rings. Let's see what these are all about. Silicone rings meets medium fit. Oh, they come in different sizes. I wonder if they are all oh, okay. Oh, they have large also. I'm gonna grab these just to try out for myself and just see what they're like. But let's see if they have any other makeup items. Let's see. They have some new nails. And then they have the little ones, little girl nails rather. And peeps. Oh my god, they even have a little Barbie. That's so exciting. So let's continue on and see what they have over here. Yeah. Oh, and look, they also have this little titania essentials. They have them in different colors: green, blue, pink, orange. These are definitely new. Oh, no way, you guys. Look what they brought back. This is the Chrissy's Curl and Clipper, or Cripply. I don't even know. But $1.25 for this, you guys. This is crazy. Oh, looks like somebody opened one. I don't want to mess with it, but anyway, this is what it looks like here. You guys, this would be such an amazing little gift for $1.25. Heck yeah. And then look, they also have these. This is a Crayola body wash pen. Oh, that's cool. Definitely new. I haven't seen these before. And let's see all the different colors they have. How cool, especially if you have like little ones who love to just draw and do stuff like that. That is such an awesome little gift. You probably throw these into the Easter baskets. So great little find here. Oh, and look, they also have this little bath bomb, Hot Wheels. Also great for the Easter baskets. Oh, someone's knocking. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Ooh, cleansing face balm. Pineapple and aloe. Oh, I'm gonna try that. If you guys know me, you know I'm a huge pineapple fan. And they also have these gentle face exfoliators And then they have the cleanser as well. And then they have these. So these are all by Bolero. So exciting. Definitely finding a lot of new items. So gotta love that about Dollar Tree. They're always rolling something new. So they have this coconut water. They have the pineapple. And they have this one under the eye. Papaya vitamin under the eye cream. How cool is that? 3 different varieties. So very exciting. All right, let's see what they have over here. I'm just hyped. Oh, there's more over here. They have the sensitive at home facial jelly mask. This is the AM facial daytime glow better. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get these. Oh my god, look. This is the Butter Buddy body butter whipped pineapple and mango. Ooh, yes, sign me up. And I also have this one. This is a mandarin honeysuck, an uplifting emerging experience. And then they have these clay masks. There's tons. Holy cow, you guys, like, there's so many new items that I have not seen, and I am freaking out. Well, not freaking out, but I'm just really excited. Yeah, these are new. These are also new. And look, this is the Ethos vitamin C water. I know that Queen shops for deals had shown these as well. Let's see. Can't really smell it. Maybe it's just me. But I know that a lot of people were excited to see these in stores. So I'm debating. I'm like, should I try one? I'm gonna try one just for funsies. I think I'm gonna try this one. Yeah, these look so cool though. I love the packaging. Like, I'm such a sucker for packaging. And look, tea tree oil scalp scrub. Okay, I'm gonna try that too. I'm just doing like a whole like beauty haul at this point. Yeah, there's so many new items that I'm like, don't even know which way to go. Let's see. This is the Aroma Polon Aroma Guru. Okay. Wow, there is so much. There is literally, like, maybe too much. Let's take a step back, Dollar Tree. Let's take one thing at a time. And this is the complete lip collection. Wow, these are going fast. Mint lip oil. Huh. Okay, very exciting. All right, you guys. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures and I'll bring you guys right back, because there is so much here. I don't want to miss it. And you know, anytime I'm doing a walkthrough and I go back to take pictures, I always find something that I haven't seen before. So wish me luck. All right, and check these out. They have these little eyeglass cords. So that way if you have glasses, you don't lose them. And I like these are cute little, they have the little sparkly thing on it. And then look at this one. I like the little patterns. Yeah, these are nice. Let's see. Put that one over here. And then look, they even have the little pouches. Yeah, this is a whole new line I haven't seen before. And then they have the sunglass clip. Oh, if you like bling, they have tons of those. And what's this? They have a little mermaid. Crystal waters. Okay. Yeah, what's over here? I think these are leftover from Valentine's. Let's see. Nope, no Ione lashes, but they still have tons, and I do mean tons, of the Golly gummies for $1.25. This is the super green, so they have the smaller bottle and the larger one, and again, these are all $1.25, so definitely an amazing deal. Are these new? I think they are actually the little pill containers. And they also have tons more of the Centrium for men 50 plus. And then I know my friend actually bought this before and swore by it, the salt-free range little mint oil thing for $1.25. All right, let's keep looking and see what they have over here. I think we see, oh, these are new. Fresh Original Dental Guru. Now I see a lot of stuff with Guru on it because I know there's like the Guru Nanda stuff, so which is really popular now. So, all right, let's continue. Oh, what's this? Oh my God, look. These are new little bath bombs. Baby Yoda bath bombs. And then they have the Mandalorian guy. Oh, cool. Very exciting. And then they have Stitch. These are definitely new. How cool. I love when I find little stuff as I'm like, kind of just rummaging through the store. So, well, not rummaging, but you know what I mean. I'm scoping out the store. So, all right. So they don't have lashes, but they do have more of these little. This is the glitter liner. They have the lip scrubs, and this is the long-lasting matte finish. So, yeah, lots of Ioni accessories. All right, let's see. All right, let's see if there's anything good over here. I know these are actually really good. They're not overly soapy, but they could definitely get the job done. We've seen these already. The Yardley, always a great deal for $125. All right, let's see. I am still on the hunt for the good socks. Somebody had shown them on Instagram. Man, still no luck. All right, well, I'm sure eventually they will have them, so. All right, so they have tons of other stuff. They have the Remy Rose. So they have the liquid lipsticks in the Cleo, Robin, Tori, and Sadie. I don't know. I don't know. I guess that's the colors, but yeah, they have these are limited edition. And this is the colored lip balms. So, yeah, very exciting. All right, let's look over here. What do they have? Oh, these are little tea light holders. This is a nice, you get what? You get 4 for $1.25? That's nice. And then they have these. And then these are also cute. Look at that. You could probably paint them different colors. Probably pick the white one to paint over. Look at that. The, with the Tree of Life. Very nice. And yeah, I think we've seen those. Well, let's look over here. Oh, little kitty. Look at that. That's just a nice little gold. We've seen those. They have more of the wall shelf. I know when they first came out, people were going crazy for those. And they have these cute little buckets. I'm guessing those would be great for Easter. They have Moana and this little guy. I don't know his name. But anyway, pretty cool for $1.25. Oh, look at this. Life is meant to be lived. You are loved. Oh, look at this with the nativity scene. That's beautiful. You are my person. Love lives here. Home sweet home. Oh, and look. Cute little cubicle. Cube for pictures. Accept what is. Let go of what it was. Have faith in what will be. Oh, that's beautiful. And then the bees. And I know these are such a hot item. These are the little mirrors. Very nice. I love when they roll out a lot of new stuff. Yeah, I like how the store is so nicely organized. Oh, look what they brought. They brought the eucalyptus flower. I think that's what it's called. The one that everybody uses for summertime. And these are usually super expensive. And they have them here for $1.25 a bunch. Let's show you how big the bunch is. Look at that. For $1.25? Oh, well, that's 2. Okay, it's still not bad, though. But, yeah. So cool that they have them here. And they're currently stocking, so I'm trying to get out of their way. But let's continue on to see if there's any more exciting finds here today at Dollar Tree. Garden flags. Springtime. Very nice. Ooh. Let me put that back. That one says welcome. Hello, spring. Oh my God, look at these cute nomies. They have them in different colors. How adorable is that? Oh, that's too cute. And they also have The green guy. Oh, well, these are so adorable. Look at that. That is cute. That's definitely going to be a hot item for spring. And yeah, how cute is those? Are they rather? Oh, and look, it looks like summer is sneaking in. Look at this little chancla. Hello, summer. How funny is that? There is so much new stuff rolling in. All right, I know we've seen these before, but definitely want to show them to you. They have the little ceramic tiles. And they have different ones. Oh, and they have tons of these again. The little beads. Cute. And then they have the little Coca-Cola bottle top. And then you say welcome. That one says gratitude and welcome and home. Yeah, I think they're still stocking, so I'm trying to not get in their way. Oh, let's look what's over here. Oh, these are cute. Little holders, little copper holders for $1.25. I like that. Oh, I'm like, are they stocking for the holidays already? It's a little early. Oh my God, summer stuff already. Let's chill, be cool, nice. All right, let's see if there's anything else worth sharing. All right, let's see if there's anything else in the crafting section. Oh, definitely see something new here. Look, ooh, little bees. Then they have the polka dots and the cute little flowers. Ooh. And look at this one. These are all so stinking cute. Oh, and look at this, another color. Yeah, there's a couple of different designs. Something smells like cinnamon. I'm like, it smells good. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so they seem to have a lot of new stuff. Look at these little hand creams for the kiddos. Very nice. Oh, and what are these? Little Avengers. Yeah, pretty cool. And then let's see, little beauty sponges. Oh, little golden duckies. That's adorable. Yeah, this is like nice little Easter basket fillers. So, and more of the soaps. Oh, what are these? One was 4 paws. All right, let's see. Oh, these are cute. Little bath things, little scrubbies for the kiddos. Very nice. All right, I think we've seen enough Easter, so. All right, my friends, I will wrap up today's video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I will be back tomorrow for more amazing walkthroughs. So until then, have a great one. Ciao.